What it do, YouTube? It's your boy Riley checking in again, bringing nothing but positive vibes again. Yeah, it's gonna be a great weekend this weekend. 3 days. Friday at Speed Shop South, McDonough, Georgia. I think it's 116 West Park Drive. Kutdacheck is having a meet and greet from 2 to 8. If you need your tickets, hit up Hot Rod on Instagram, and he'll give you all the details on how to get those tickets. Saturday, we got the infamous Battle of the Boxes. And you know it's Carolina over here. I'm going with Boostdoctor. Kutdacheck them, they got a good car. I've been a fan of their car since they came out. Them headhunter days and all that. But I gotta ride with the home team. We got Easy Money Racing, Blue Magic. That's gonna be an interesting one. I don't know which way to bet with that. I say Easy Money, but just like with the race against Macho, anything can happen. Cat might fool the world. You never know. And then you got Kutdacheck Don't versus Summer Miami. I'm gonna go with Summer Miami because I've seen that car run. I've seen it more consistently than Kutdacheck's Don't. The time that I did get to see Kutdacheck Don't at Palm Beach, the belt broke, so I didn't really get to see a pass out of it. So I don't know what that car do yet. And I think we got some more grudges might be coming out. I might have a buddy coming from Chicago with a track halt that might be looking for some smoke. Just waiting on the final call on that. But make sure y'all subscribe to the channel. Make sure y'all turn on them post notifications because I'm gonna be going live down there. And if you want the notification to come to your phone when I'm going live, you gotta hit subscribe, you gotta hit that bell and turn it to all. You gotta do it. Plus, we got a random Cash App giveaway. Y'all don't know what day I'm gonna do it. I don't know what day I'm gonna do it, but it's gonna be live on YouTube also. And if you ain't got the notification on, you won't get the alert. So make sure y'all turn all that on. Make sure y'all thumbs up this video. Drop down in the comment section and let me know who do y'all think is gonna win each race. I'm about to drop some clips of each car that's gonna be racing this weekend. But first, we're gonna go back to the first race between Kutdacheck and Boostdoctor. Yeah. We're gonna drop that on y'all first. A little friendly reminder of what happened the first time. So y'all go check that out. Make sure y'all hit them comment section. Let me know what y'all think.
Ain't open.
Today, Junior!
So they know when you got to start shooting. It's on the goddamn plane. Boostdoctor! Boostdoctor!
Boostdoctor! It's a Bunny Boy beat. It's a Bunny Boy beat.